So here we're given this inequality. At least the numerator is a quadratic expression. And we're asked how many integers that satisfy this inequality that are less than 5 integers. So the first thing is there is an equal, and for this expression to be equal to 0, that's easy. It would be when x is minus 2 or minus 3. So we have two values that makes this 0, and they're both less than 5. So we know the answer is at least 2. Now, the way to deal with this inequality is I'm going to do it in pieces, meaning consider this as a numerator. Either this is positive and the denominator is positive. So I'm going to start by solving this one because the ratio of the two quantities would be positive. Now, this is a standard quadratic inequality, and we want to know on the number line for what values of x would this be true. So the fastest way to do this is draw the number line, write the roots, meaning where this expression is 0. That's at minus 2 and minus 3. That divides this region into 3 regions where the roots are. And you test numbers here. So for example, you try x equal to 0, that's region 3. If you plug x equal to 0, this is 2 times 3, 6. It is greater than 0. So here the expression is positive in this region. And then if you try a number here, for example, minus 2.5, this would becomes minus 0.5 times 0.5, which is actually negative. So you don't satisfy this, which means here it's negative, and then this is going to be positive. So the signs actually flip. So this expression here, the numerator is positive in this region. Denominator would be positive when x is greater than 2, which is here. So the common values, or the region where both are positive, that's going to happen at 3 and 4. And 5 is not acceptable because we're specifically asked integers less than 5. So we get 2 more, 3 and 4. So we're at 4 here. The other case is when they're both negative. X plus 2, x plus 3 is negative. And x minus 2 is negative. So the negative region is here. And this means x is less than 2. So that would be, that's basically this region, but there is no integer value between minus 2 and 3. So this doesn't give me any integer solutions. I mean, if they were asking range of values, yeah, minus 2.5 would satisfy it. But as far as integer values, these are the only 4. And therefore, the answer is 4 values, or choice D.